My name is Eddie Akasha. Our community is in Coconut Creek, Florida, and we've been with Envera for about 4 months now. So we used to have a different virtual guard system at our community to monitor our gates, which we had a horrible experience with. And through one of our residents, found out about my Envera system, and we decided to meet with Envera, and we fell in love with you guys. Ever since you guys came out to the community, gave us the seminar, you guys have completely fulfilled our need for a virtual guard system. Envera's come in and they've been absolutely amazing. They handle the even rudest residents and rudest guests with utmost respect. We give kudos to them, and we truly appreciate everything that you guys have done for our community. If you're hesitant at all, you got to meet with Envera. You got to give them a chance. They're worth every penny that you will spend. You're going to be very happy.